Dear students, in this lecture we will discuss Theorem 8.1. A normed space X is a Banach space if and only if every absolutely summable series of elements in X is summable in X. Okay, so we know that what is meant by a Banach space, and also what is the definition of summable series. Okay, and absolutely summable. So we will go to the proof of this theorem. First, assume that X is a Banach space. Now we have to show that every absolutely summable series of elements in X is summable in X. Okay, so for this we take summation n varies 1 to infinity xn be an absolutely summable series of elements of X. Okay, that means xn belongs to X for all n, and summation n varies from 1 to infinity norm xn less than infinity. This is a condition of absolutely summable series. Okay, now let sequence Sm and Sm dash be the sequence of partial sums of summation n varies from 1 to infinity xn and summation n varies from 1 to infinity norm xn respectively. That means Sm is the sequence of partial sum of this sequence series, that is summation varies from 1 to infinity xn, and Sm dash is the partial sequence of partial sums, okay, of this series, that is summation n varies from 1 to infinity norm xn. Then norm Sm plus j minus Sm. Okay, we know that what is Sm. Sm is x1 plus x2 plus etc plus xm, and Sm plus j is x1 plus x2 plus etc plus xm plus j. So when we subtract Sm from Sm plus j, we have xm plus 1 plus xm plus 2 plus etc plus xm plus j. Okay, so which is less than or equal to, we split this norm, we have norm xm plus 1 plus norm xm plus 2 plus etc plus norm xm plus j. Okay, so that is equal to modulus of this, that is modulus of norm xm plus 1 etc plus norm xm plus j. Okay, so that is equal to mod Sm plus j dash minus Sm dash. Okay, this is the partial sums of Sm plus j dash, and Sm dash are partial sums of summation n varies from infinity norm xn. Okay, so we denote the partial sum as Sm dash and Sm plus j dash. Okay, now since sequence Sm dash is Cauchy, we know that this is less than infinity. Okay, so this shows that sequence Sm is Cauchy in X. Okay, norm Sm plus j minus Sm is less than infinity, so which is Cauchy in X. Okay, since X is complete, this is a Cauchy sequence in X, and X is complete, so this sequence converges in X. So that means summation n varies from 1 to infinity xn is summable in X. Okay, now conversely assume that every absolutely summable series of elements in X is summable in X. Okay, we have to show that X is Banach space. So for this we take a Cauchy sequence in X. So let sequence Sn be a Cauchy sequence in X. Okay, then there exists a positive integer m1 such that norm sm minus sn, which is less than 1 for all m greater than or equal to n, which is greater than or equal to m1, since this is Cauchy. Okay, in particular norm sm minus sm1, which is less than 1 for all m greater than or equal to m1. Okay, similarly let m2 be a positive integer such that norm sm minus sn, which is less than 1 by 2 for all m greater than or equal to n, which is greater than or equal to m2. Okay, in particular norm sm minus sm2, which is less than 1 by 2 for all m greater than or equal to m2. Okay, so we choose this m2 so that m2 greater than m1. Okay, now proceeding in this way, find m2, m3, etc., mn plus 1, etc., such that mn less than mn plus 1 for all n, and norm sm minus smn, which is less than 1 by n square for all m greater than or equal to mn. This is for all n. Question number 1. Now let xn equal to smn plus 1 minus smn for n varies from 1 to 3, etc. So we have taken xn as like this. Okay, then summation n varies from 1 to infinity norm xn, which is equal to summation n varies from 1 to infinity. We have xn is this, so norm smn plus 1 minus smn, which is less than summation n varies 1 to infinity 1 by n square, which is less than infinity. This is by 1. Okay, since this is absolutely summable, so which is less than infinity. Okay, so this shows that summation n varies from 1 to infinity xn is summable in x. Okay, since we have assumed that every absolutely summable series of elements in x is summable in x. Okay, so we have summation n varies from 1 to infinity xn is summable in x. Okay, now smn, which is equal to smn minus smn minus 1 plus smn minus 1. So we have smn here, smn here. Okay, then we add and subtract this term. Similarly this term smn minus 2 plus smn minus 2, etc., and finally this sm minus sm2 plus sm2 minus sm1 plus sm1. Okay, so we consider this pair smn minus smn minus 1. What is this? This is xn minus 1. Why? Here we have taken xn equal to smn plus 1 minus smn. So xn equal to x1 equal to x2 x1 equal to sm2 minus sm1. Similarly x2 equal to sm3 minus sm2. Okay, so that's why we have this is equal to this term is xn minus 1, this is xn minus 2, etc., and this is x1. Okay, plus sm1. Okay, so that is smn equal to summation j varies from 1 to n minus 1 to n minus 1 xj plus this term sm1. Okay, now since summation j varies from 1 to infinity xj is summable in x. Okay, so this shows that the sequence smn of the given Cauchy sequence Sn converges in x. Okay, this is a subsequence of Sn. Smn is a subsequence of sequence Sn which converges in X. Then Sn itself converges in X. Okay, that is X is complete. Okay, so this completes the proof of theorem 8.1. Thanks.